A tropical low off the northern coast of Western Australia continues to strengthen and is expected to become a tropical cyclone during Friday night. From there, it is forecast across the Kimberley coast as a Category 2 system during Saturday. So having a look at the satellite, we can see tropical low 16U as a massive cloud around 500 kilometres to the northwest of Broome over the open waters of the Indian Ocean. It is gradually intensifying as it moves towards the southeast and towards the mainland, and ahead of its arrival, we have issued a tropical cyclone watch and a tropical cyclone warning. Let's start off first with that tropical cyclone warning. That extends from Broome in the south up to Koori Bay in the north and does also take in Derby. And within this area, we can expect to see gale force to damaging winds within the next 24 hours. So as early as Friday evening around Koori Bay, then extending down towards Derby and Broome by Saturday morning. We also do have a tropical cyclone watch that extends from Bidjadanga in the south to Mitchell Plateau in the north and also takes in inland parts of the Kimberley. And within this area, you could see those gale force winds within the next 24 to 48 hours. So as early as Saturday night for some of these parts along the coast. So now having a look at the latest track map, we can see this tropical low continuing to move towards the southeast during Friday, and by Friday night is expected to become a Category 1 cyclone. And when it does, it will be named Tropical Cyclone Luana. From there, it is expected to continue moving towards the coast, strengthening towards a Category 2 system by Saturday afternoon before crossing the coast around the northern Dampier Peninsula on Saturday afternoon and then moving down towards Derby by Saturday night. From there, it is expected to take a bit of a southerly turn, gradually weakening back into a tropical low over the inland Kimberley. And so, what sort of hazards can we expect with this tropical cyclone? First, we are expecting to see damaging to destructive wind gusts of up to 130 kilometers an hour, and this can cause significant damage to trees, property, as well as vehicles. Heavy rain is also expected to build as the cyclone draws closer to the coast. That can cause flash flooding as well as roads to become inundated and secondary dirt roads to become washed away, isolating communities. We're also expecting a dangerous storm tide, particularly around the King Sound on that high tide on Saturday afternoon. That may cause dangerous waves as well as coastal erosions. Keep an eye on any of these hazards and always follow the advice of your local emergency services. So now beyond this, we are expecting to see the tropical low moving down south through Western Australia, dragging a lot of tropical moisture right into the Kimberley and also the interior parts of the state. So we are expecting this low to move quite slow moving, even remaining in place all the way into Tuesday, and bringing some rain even down into southern parts of the state. But it really will depend on how that tropical low, all the remnants of the ex-tropical cyclone, do move beyond landfall. So having a look at what sort of rainfall we are expecting. Heaviest rainfall is expected around the Kimberley coast, around that crossing area, but then also building across interior parts of Western Australia. We could see out to Tuesday morning rainfall totals in excess of 100, even reaching up to 300 millimetres for some parts of the Kimberley coast. And also those rainfall totals building through parts of the Eucla as we head into the middle of next week. So ahead of this rainfall, we have issued a flood watch for quite a broad area that extends all the way from the Kimberley and into the interior of Western Australia. And so this is a bit of a heads up for the potential for flooding with that rain coming through. And once the rain does start to fall, we are likely to be issuing flood warnings. So keep an eye on those if you are living or traveling across this part of the state in the coming days. So as the tropical low continues to intensify into a tropical cyclone by Friday night, it is important that you have the latest information for where you are. You can get this on our website and our app. Follow us on social media. And as always, please stay safe.